So what it's been doing is, at least that's going to where it needs to. Oh, there you go. So that didn't go back. What's it doing? It's doing its own thing.
Oh yeah, you don't want to run a wizard.
No. No, cancel. Yeah. Home. Cancel. So now it's like back.
That wasn't even an option on that page.
Well, no, that's what. So you can imagine me at the track when I pressed data login and I pressed start Lego data login, and it went off and it went to a completely different screen.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it to do it.
Especially when you're time crunched at the start. So
there you go. Look. So I've pressed on it and it hasn't even gone there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a bit frustrating at the track when I couldn't get it to do what I wanted it to do.
All right.
So,
because you even had a stylus, didn't you?
I did, yeah. Even that didn't work at the track. So, I got no idea.
I think the more toward the middle of the screen you get, the worse it is.
Yeah. Stupid thing.
Yeah, Pete's had nothing but problems with his little, was it a 3.5-inch touchscreen?
3.5 inch, yeah.
Yeah, so he's decided to take the plunge and replace this thing. And
with another touch screen.
Yeah. Well, we're hoping, one, that it works like it's supposed to, and two, it's going to give you a little bit, or a lot more features.
Yeah, a lot more control.
This is the new, or Pete's new, Holley
5-inch.
5-inch screen.
Yeah.
So I haven't seen this yet, so they've been talking about it. But I just want to have a play. All right, let's see it. Here it is. This is about the best place he could figure out where to put it for the moment, because it did come with a suction cup and that little snout there to stick it somewhere. From all the places he could figure out, there's the best place for the moment. He does want to make a like a 3D printed bracket to fit it right here, as close as he can to the dash gauges. But it does have a couple little things sticking out the back that are different from before. One is the receiver for the GPS antenna, and it's got this 90-degree bracket here poking out the back, so that's as tight as you can make it if you're going to put a bracket or make something for it like in here.
There we go.
All right.
There we go. So it does have different screens. That's when it is by default. So TPS.
Idle air control is at 71. Okay, that's for before start. So
yeah, battery. CTS.
Yeah, coolant temp.
Yeah.
You got it at C.
Oh, I haven't touched it yet.
Oh. So that's like default parameters.
Yeah. Yeah, so I haven't touched it. So the first thing I looked at was the 120 mile an hour. I'm thinking, well, that's not going to be enough. So we've had to download the PDF manual. So we can have a go at changing that in a second.
All right. So.
But yeah, I mean, straight away, speedo is that little bit there. So GPS.
Have you tried that yet?
It works. It does take a little while to start up though.
Okay.
So I couldn't tell you what speed I was doing driving down the lane or up to the A14, but then all of a sudden it will kick in. And it matches that one. So.
Well, touchly, how is it? Just like a phone would be? Is it as accurate as a phone, or is it really kind of like you're hunting a peck and really trying to bang that the other one, or is this really nice?
It's really smooth.
Okay.
So I have obviously driven up the road and tried it. And it does, like I say, it does take a little while just to pick up the satellites, but once it's picked them up, it's absolutely fine.
I think on some other things, if you wanted it to constantly have a satellite signal, it needs some battery voltage the whole time it's off.
Yeah.
So when you first start up, it kind of knows where it was at, and it requires really quickly. If it's working if it's working the way that you're saying it's working, to me that means it kills power totally. Yeah. And has to reacquire a little while after you fire it back up. Yeah.
So yeah, that's so far, and rev counter matches the rev counter. So
is it a fast rev counter as well?
Yeah, you can set it there are settings for it, which
Okay.
I've had a look at, but I tried changing the speed and that didn't work. So we will have a look at that in a minute.
Right.
But this one's got AFR,
Mm-hmm.
closed loop, learn status,
And I assume you can
speed.
change them all to whatever you want.
Yeah. Yeah. So digital 3. Channel is air and fuel, so you can change that to...
You can go ad nauseum on a lot of these things, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I started to have a look and I was like, right, I need to download the manual.
Yeah.
But yeah, so for us, air fuel ratio would be nice to see on there. When I'm racing, I'd probably use that because I'm not worried about a speedo.
Well, maybe make it flash a color or something, or turn red, and that'll let you know your set
Yeah, because
points.
there's green, yellow, and red.
I mean, I know you got this, but this is your
That's shift light.
shift light.
Yeah, but yeah,
That's
I
the oil
don't know if we
pressure.
could do it on here.
I would hope so.
But yeah, the more I'm looking into it, the more I'm like, this little screen will end up here. I'm currently printing out 3D brackets. So this will sit back down here, nice and tidily.
Yeah, because this is still like a 4-cylinder tachometer,
Yeah,
because this car was originally a 4-cylinder, and then you got a Canadian import, so we got KPH
yeah.
on the odometer, which neither of them do anything.
There will be a video showing the swap. I'm going to pinch the one Mike's got.
Oh,
But yeah, I mean, this, in theory, replaces all of this.
all right.
But I'm old school, so I'll leave that there for now. But yeah, I'm going to sit that down there where the other one was actually, but I need to 3D print a different bracket for it.
No, something could be said for eliminating this.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of gauges in this car. 3, 4.
Well,
I guess
yeah.
I would 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well,
and then
yeah, but
9.
this was required because I didn't have a sniper,
Yeah.
so that we knew what the air fuel ratio was on both sides. So that was,
Well,
acceptable. That's boost vacuum. It's nice to know what you, and then I've got RPM, speedo, oil, water. I mean, that's, standard, isn't it? Maybe not as big as this.
Yeah. Plus you got these in the dash here.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, dash will be tidied up. If we get a new dash in and we can get all that working, that can go, and then this will need to go somewhere else.
Because I have the other V8 cluster with 140 mile an hour speedo. That'll drop right into here, but we have to.
It's not going to be enough.
Well, we'll have to fit a speedometer gear and cable to your transmission and fish it around.
Yeah, well, that'll replace this then, won't it?
Yeah.
So we'll take the electronic one out. So I think what we'll do now is we'll pause the video and we'll have a look at the manual, and then we can go through changing the Fahrenheit, Celsius, speedo,
All right. Well,
etc.
let's give it a shot. All right. Well, we had a play inside. We figured out how to update the firmware. We tried it first, but now it's going and we can't stop it.
No.
So what we had to do was delete everything off of the original SD card, then extract all the new files from Holley onto it. Then as soon as you plug it in and turn the car on, it starts running this thing and starts
Doing its update.
Yeah. So,
See, John should be doing this. This is his sort of work.
yeah.
He's not here.
Oh well. John's injured at the moment,
Bless him.
so we'll have to let him recover. Old injuries, old man injuries.
Old man injuries.
So, this is programming auxiliary flash.
Please wait.
Yeah, well, it's already gone on what, 3 minutes or so?
Mm. So this is going to give me, instead of 120 mile an hour, 200 mile an hour. It's part of the update.
Well, yeah,
so-
hopefully it'll more features and bug fixes, I guess is what they said. I guess there's been 3 or 4 software refreshes, updates since whatever
We
the
bought
factory
it, yeah.
programmed with this thing. So we'll see. All right, let it finish up and
We'll be back.
yeah. All right.
Okay, so reprogramming complete. Eject card to continue. Ooh,
Does it reboot itself now? Yeah. There you
yeah.
go. All right. Now try to change your speed.
Which is why we
The
did it.
tachometer does look a little different though. like the shading around it. Maximum display 120. Click on that. There you go.
Ooh. What should we go for? 150?
That's your car. I say the higher you make it, the less usable range you have on your little needle thing, though.
Oh,
save that. Well, you can
13 mile an hour segments.
Well, per segment, because you changed it to 150, you may want to rejigger that to something else.
10 segments at 15.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what that looks like.
150. All right, there you go.
Yeah, so it doesn't show 70, so I could do it in 10 mile an hour segments. Obviously, the speed limit.
Oh, yeah.
Area. So it's silly things, isn't it? Like that.
Yeah,
It's like, well...
Yeah, I'm sure little revisions will happen more in the future.
Yeah. I've got a 150 mile an hour speedo now.
All right. Well, Pete's world is all sunshine and lollipops now.
As soon as we take it to the quarter and we know what we're running, I'll set that to the maximum, yeah? So if I only run 139, I'll set it to 139. Yeah, there you go. So I'm presuming the gauge is going to go red.
Yeah, I don't know.
At that point. So once I'm over 120, it's going to go yellow. And once I get over 133, which is my fastest miles per hour, I then know I'm running
faster than your best. Yeah. Well, if you get the gumption to stare at it, while you're going 130,
it's going to be there. And if it suddenly goes yellow, I'm going to notice it, and if it goes red, I'm going to be smiling if I'm before the finish line.
Well, yeah. You go back to the gauges now. Yeah, I guess hope something in this side will turn yellow or red.
Yeah,
over 133.
We're never going to know until we get to the track.
You're not gonna fool it because it's GPS either.
No.
So.
And doing 120 on the roads here is like.
Well, it's not like you can hook it up to your speedometer like a gear and just pick the back wheels off the ground, and just spin them and make it happen, But
hey, we've moved forwards. Right. And there was a load of other stuff that it fixed. And other things
we
that
could read up on it, but this is all we really cared about. So
there we go.
Yeah, so updating it's pretty easy too.
Yeah,
same as the 3.5-inch screen, but
less worrying than I thought. But we did save it and back out.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing on there yet. No logs or
no.
You may want to suck the tune out of the sniper and put it on there just so you can say it's saved, because that's the one from the dyno, and you want to preserve that one at all costs.
So
GCF manager,
that's it. Yeah, error.
Oh, you popped it out. So.
I did.
You may need a second to
so let's pick that up.
as so you can rename it, unless it's already named in there. Yeah, it's already named.
Yeah, so that is how we had it.
Okay.
I left it like that. That's what I've got on the laptop as well. So I'll leave it the same. And then if any other changes, we can...
Hit OK. All right, saving it. Done. All right, so saved it.
So we've now got a copy on there. And we've got a copy on the laptop.
And the one that's in the sniper itself.
Cool.
All right, that's enough gibbering and you guys staring at the screen if you... Watching Pete's hands for the whole time here, so thanks for sticking around.
Job done.
We'll have some more fun with this thing, and we'll catch you again soon. Bye-bye.